Medicare is facing challenges of rising costs, inefficiency, and fraud. Blockchain technology can address these challenges by creating a unified patient record, reducing duplicate testing and procedures. Smart contracts can automate the review and approval process for Medicare claims, saving millions in administrative costs. Medicare fraud costs taxpayers billions each year. Blockchain can prevent fraud by creating an immutable ledger for healthcare services and claims. This ensures meticulous documentation and verification, making it nearly impossible for fraudsters to manipulate the system. Counterfeit medications are a major problem. Blockchain can track pharmaceuticals from production to distribution, guaranteeing authenticity and preventing counterfeit medications from entering the Medicare system. Blockchain can make clinical trials more efficient and transparent. It securely manages patient consent, data sharing, and trial results. This makes it easier for researchers to conduct trials and for Medicare to make informed decisions about coverage for new treatments. Regulators must strike a balance between fostering innovation and safeguarding the financial system. CMS has established a blockchain work group to study potential applications and develop recommendations for implementation. Blockchain technology has the potential to revolutionize Medicare. It can make the program more transparent, efficient, and secure, improving the quality of care for patients and saving taxpayers money.